Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on get premium. So when you click here on premiere, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you choose if you want to add here for month or year. Just click on month or year here you want to add. Then it's going to show for you a list to add your card credit or your card on your Reddit app. So it's going to show for us a list like this. There can you add your credit or debit card here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.